Stop and don't fill your preference sheet before watching this video. Hello everyone, I'm Vani and welcome to CUET Decoded. If you are planning to take admission in Delhi University, then this is literally going to save you from some of the biggest admission mistakes. So in this video, we are going to cover everything that you need to understand about the Delhi University admissions 2026. Every year, thousands of students give CUET and score well, but they do not get the college or the course that they wanted. Reason? It is not always low marks. Sometimes they don't understand the eligibility. Sometimes it is because they are wrong with their CUET subject combination. And many times because they fill their preference sheets wrong. We will talk about the Delhi University admission process, eligibility criteria, CUET subject combinations, program specific rules, preference sheet strategy, important documents, common mistakes, and smart admission strategy. So make sure that you watch till the end. First, understand how Delhi University admissions actually work. Let's start from basics. अब कोई भी एक नॉर्मल स्टूडेंट होता है, अगर उसके अच्छे मार्क्स आते हैं देन दे थिंक दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में तो एडमिशन हो ही गया. बट दिस इज नॉट हाउ दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी एडमिशंस एक्चुअली वर्क. सी, दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी एडमिशंस दो कैटेगरीज में होते हैं. पहला CUET UG एंड दूसरा CSAS पोर्टल. सबसे पहले यू अपीयर फॉर योर CUET एग्जाम, फिर रिजल्ट्स आते हैं. रिजल्ट्स आने के बाद you fill your preferences on the CSAS portal. Then based on your score, your category, your eligibility, your preferences and the seats available, Delhi University आपको seat allocate करता है. So your admission is not just about marks. It is about smart decisions that you take throughout the process. Think of it this way, that your CUET score brings you in the race while your preferences decide where you finished. Now let's talk about the eligibility. To apply for undergraduate programs in Delhi University, you must have passed your class 12th under a recognized board. Sounds simple, right? But this is where most of the students get confused. Class 12th को pass करना does not automatically mean that you are eligible for every course in Delhi University. So make sure that before you fill your preference sheet, you know that you are eligible for that course. So ask yourself before filling that sheet, am I eligible for this course? अगर आप उस कोर्स के लिए एलिजिबल ही नहीं हो तो आपका पूरा प्रेफरेंस शीट इज टोटली यूजलेस. The most ignored part of the admission process. Now pay attention because this is the most important section of the entire video. Many students focus on their total scores, 760, 750, 500, 400, and they keep discussing their scores all the time. But very few students discuss subject combination. And that is a huge mistake because Delhi University doesn't just check your score, it also checks कि आप जो प्रोग्राम चूज कर रहे हो उसके लिए जो करेक्ट सब्जेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन है क्या आपने वो चूज करा है. Now imagine that student A scores 760 and student B scores 710. Now यहाँ से आपको लगेगा that student A has a better chance of getting in Delhi University. But what if I tell you that student A chose the wrong subject combination while student B choose the correct combination? So this automatically disqualifies student A from getting admission in Delhi University while student B is totally eligible. Crazy, right? That's why choosing the correct subject combination is not just important but very much critical. Another mistake that students make is that thinking कि सारे courses के same eligibility criteria. Well, that is not true. हर कोर्स का अपना अलग एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बीकॉम ऑनर्स करनी है तो कॉमर्स इज कंपल्सरी वेल मैथ्स में ऑप्शन है. इकोनॉमिक ऑनर्स करनी है तो मैथ्स इज मैंडेटरी. Whereas professional courses might have different eligibility criteria like journalism. So the lesson is that never assume, always verify. Many students think कि preference sheet भरना यानी कि top colleges को सबसे ऊपर भर देना. Well, that is not exactly what preference sheet is. Your preference sheet should be a strategy list. It should not be a fantasy list or a copied list, and definitely not something that your friend made for you. Because understand it, आपका score आपके friend से अलग है. Your goals are totally different from their goals. So how can your preference sheet be the same as this? So how to fill a preference sheet? Let me tell you. Step 1, find all the courses that you are eligible for. Step 2, find all the colleges that offer all those programs. Step 3, research properly. Check for the placements, the faculties, the campus life, the societies, the internships, and etc. etc. Step 4, create 3 options. Dream option, target option and safe option. College या course, which is more important? This is the most asked question and the answer is both. Understand it this way. Let's say कि आपको अपना career commerce में build करना है. Now, just because you're getting into a famous college, क्या you will give up on the course that you're studying? ऑलमोस्ट सभी कॉलेजेस में फैकल्टी, एग्जाम स्ट्रक्चर एंड सब्जेक्ट करिकुलर सेम होता है, तो कभी भी अपने टारगेट कोर्स को कॉलेज के चक्कर में खराब मत करो. Now let's talk about documents. Many students study really well for the CUET for months, लेकिन they ignore the documents and इस वजह से they panic during the admission process. Make sure to check your name, date of birth, class 10 certificate, class 12 certificate, category certificate and identity documents. सभी कैटेगरी सर्टिफिकेट्स का एक प्रिस्क्राइब फॉर्मेट है जो दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी ने ऑलरेडी पब्लिश करा हुआ है, तो जाके उसको अच्छे से समझो और पढ़ो. जैसे कि सिंगल गर्ल चाइल्ड सर्टिफिकेट के लिए एफिडेविट इम्पॉर्टेंट है एंड ऑफिशियल ऑफिसर्स का सिग्नेचर इम्पॉर्टेंट है. एवरी स्मॉल मिस्टेक कैन क्रिएट अननेसेसरी इश्यूज इन द फ्यूचर, तो मेक श्योर आप हर चीज अच्छे से चेक कर रहे हो. Now comes the most common mistakes that students make. They ignore the eligibility, choosing the incorrect CUET subjects, following rumors on social media, copying someone else's preference sheet, focusing only on college names, ignoring the backup options, and waiting till the last minute. If you avoid these mistakes, then you are already very close to admission in Delhi University. If I have to summarize everything in one formula, it would be it. Eligibility first, CUET subject combination second, program research third, college research fourth, reference sheet fifth, document sixth, official updates always. That is the smartest way to approach Delhi University admission. Remember this, a good CUET score creates opportunities, while a smart decision and strategy creates those opportunities into an actual. So, don't rush your preference sheets, don't rely on rumors, and at all cost, do not follow the crowd. Do your research, understand the process, and make informed decisions. And that is exactly why CUET Decoded exists, to make your Delhi University admission process simpler, easier, and less confusing for every aspirant. If this video helped you, then make sure to subscribe CUET Decoded for more detailed videos on colleges, guidance on preference sheets, and etc. etc. Thank you for watching. Have a great journey in Delhi University. Bye bye.